Today I'm sharing the most awesome, perfect, and best black lash primer. Let's go. I wanted to show you guys this black lash primer again. I love this stuff. You can wear it alone like mascara if you want. I'm trying to do this where you guys can see it, but I mean, like, you can see it really gets in there and separates the lashes. And like over here, mine like to lay like that way, like right against the skin. So this brush, because of how fine it is, can really get in there good. But I really do like this stuff. You can layer your mascara on top of it if you want. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, but I like this. And my link in my bio for Blinc gets you guys 20% off. And they also have that micro point eyeliner that is really good too. It's a water or a liquid eyeliner rather, but love.